How from Tennessee. How are you doing on this Thanksgiving? We are so thankful for my little tribe. I'm going to introduce you guys to my little Indian tribe. We decided that today we were going to, well, actually my son Noah decided that we're going to wake up and dress like Indians for fun before we go to our Thanksgiving party. So everybody's dressed up like Indians and we're being silly and having fun. So I'm going to introduce you to my tribe. I am Mama Mai, mother of many, Mama Mai, whose quiver is full, woman with full quiver. What is your name?
Cora.
Hora.
Cora.
Hora is a Bible name. Cora, which means young chiefess who bakes and cooks and loves lots. What is your name, young one?
Saka.
Saka, which means young fighter who makes tribe laugh lots. What is your name, young one? Selena, young warrior princess from the east. What is your name? Man who skins animals lots. Nua, one who drums fiercely and one who hunts the wild. Okay, this is my tribe, y'all. Say hey.
Hey.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
What are you guys thankful for? Can we say one thing we're thankful for?
The Lord.
You're thankful for the Lord. Why? Can you say why?
Because He's gracious and kind to us.
He sure is.
I love the Lord because if He didn't make my mom, then I wouldn't be alive right now.
Oh, that's so sweet. What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for Mommy.
You guys, this did not have to be about Mommy. Y'all are so sweet. Okay. I'll receive
do
it.
something else.
I receive
Okay.
it. Go for it. Whatever's in your heart, baby. What do you want to say?
I'm thankful for our kitty, Princess.
Aww.
And since my kitty died a little while ago, she is a good little friend to have.
Yeah.
Especially when she sits at the back door and waits for us and brings us mice. And just
Princess,
loves
one
on
who
us.
hunts mice. She keeps coming over to play with us with our little Indian garb. She's so cute. Okay, what are you thankful for? Noah.
I'm thankful for a house and my mom and that we have a car so that we don't have to walk miles and miles to get groceries.
Yeah, like the Indians, right?
Yep.
Can you guys, let's say some things that we're thankful for. Because, you know, we're in this like quarantine time, right? Where there's a lot of things that are different in our world right now. And as a family, I know you guys have a heart to support siblings being connected. Is this true?
Yes.
Yeah. So, and you guys are pretty united, hoo-ha. And like being silly and doing fun things together and enjoying each other's company. Can we come together a little so Mommy can see us all? Okay, so what are some things, because it can be, some families right now are having a challenging time. And we know this because like we've always homeschooled and been together, and this is just like who God's made us to be, right? And it's just who He's made us to be. And you guys can chime in anytime you want, okay? Because this is family day. We get to contribute as a family today. That some people are going through a hard time right now during COVID, and I know Thanksgiving looks different for a lot of people. And we wanted to just jump in here and share this little fun spiciness that Noah had an idea of yesterday of us dressing like Indians and having some fun as a family before we go to celebrate with another family. And we just want to give you guys an idea of like how you can play and have fun. You could dress as pilgrims, Indians. You can go around saying things you're thankful for. You can take your slingshots. Let's see y'all slingshots. I mean, do fun things like get outside, slingshot,
Should we do
Right?
Should we do a slingshot? All of us slingshot?
Yeah, you guys can find a rock while mommy's talking.
I got some rocks in my pouch.
I got some rocks in my pouch.
Okay. So we went around the table this morning and we did like a little family breakfast, and we went around and said some things like that we were thankful for and just gave thanks to the Lord. It says in scripture, give